Hey, what's up guys? It's Sam from BSc Tech. Today's video is about sending a large video file from one WhatsApp contact to another using an iPhone on iOS platform. So for that reason, I will show you that if you want to send a video which seems large and due to its size limitations, as you can see that the whole video is not displayed and one portion at the end is bright, which means basically the WhatsApp cannot send this particular area of the video through WhatsApp messaging. If you click on this video, which is slightly smaller in size, and you can see that this video is complete, you can send that. And if you pick something large again like this video, that video has a certain area of its frames which is not being covered by WhatsApp. So for that reason, I will show you what to do with that. First of all, go to your app store on your iOS device, whether you have an iPhone or an iPad. This will work exactly the same way. You can do it in your own way, not necessarily that you have to download the same app which I am using. Compress videos, you can type in the search bar, and there is a big list of apps available which you can download and use for absolutely free. But I always prefer to look for the reviews first before I start downloading and start using. This will give me a better idea of how the app will basically work. So for that reason, we have picked up a compress videos and resize them app, and we have already installed on our iOS device. As you can see that the interface is very simple. With this round circle, there's a plus sign here. You can simply go and pick a video. For example, you can see that there are plenty of videos on my screen, and the file size is also there. So you can pick, for example, any video which is, let's say, pick this video which is 1 GB. So it will take less time to compress. Current video dimension is set to 960 by 540. We will leave it as it is. You can increase and decrease. The frame rate is basically set to 30. We will reduce that to 15. And as you can see on the top, we have a message pop up which says that you have selected a video taking 1 GB of storage space on your device. Then we have a compress button which we will hit, and as soon as we hit, you will see a pop-up ad coming in on your screen. Don't worry about that, wait for 5 seconds and then you can close this and let the app completely process and compress the video file, and then the resized file properties will be displayed on screen, which will show you that the actual size of the file before compressing and the compressed part of the file. And one video was compressed and saved to your library. The size before processing was 1 GB and it saves almost 857 MBs, making it 164.1 MB. Yes, the quality will be okay, but when you want to transfer big files, this is the best way you can use them, other than exporting your files to your computer and using a third-party software. And we can keep the original file, and then we can come back to this area. As you can see that we have now two files here. One is basically 6.04 and the one which is slightly smaller on the left side. As you can see, then you can click and send. So this is how you can transfer file from one WhatsApp to another WhatsApp using this compressed app. As I have explained earlier, there are plenty of apps available on App Store which you can go and download without any problem. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel guys if you haven't, and stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.